Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 3,500 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
The 2006 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, tow hitch, stability control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Nine locations, 13 brands, and over 3,500 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.